okay? Like we're about business. So I have 5. You're gonna have to have a list of 5. This one right here is copy.ai. Generate high quality posts in days. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the match game with these. I'm not just going to show you the sites and tell you what they do. I'm going to show you exactly how you can go to a different platform with this tool and make a lot of money, because it's going to free up your time and it's going to do it on its own. And yes, this is a free tool. Free up your days of the week by switching to copy.ai. What it can do is it can create articles and website content. And as you can see, yes, they have a premium plan, but it also has the $0 plan as well. Look, it has over 90 different copywriting tools. Okay, so what can you do with something that can create articles? What are you thinking? Maybe you guys do SEO. All right, maybe you guys write blogs or something like that. But check this out. If you go over here to Fiverr, fiverr.com, and type in article writing, you'll see that you can charge 25 bucks, 50 bucks, 70 bucks, 110 bucks. But guess what? If you offer, you can make a post that says, I can complete your article in a couple of hours and it'll be unique. And, you'll make a lot of money with this article, blah, blah, blah. Look at this one. It has 24-hour time limit on it. And it has a lot of people that purchase this one. You can make it even faster. You can offer maybe 8 hours, 12 hours, even though it will be done instantaneously. You don't want people to think it's not a high quality article. So that's number 1, copy.ai. Number 2 is JAD Bio. This is automated machine learning. So check it out. It says user-friendly machine learning without coding, equipped by powerful knowledge extraction tools. Extraction tools. So we can come over here. There's a couple things you can look for on Fiverr. They have machine learning gigs right here. Look, I will do machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, Python. I will do data science. Look at this one right here. A lot of people are buying these. Okay. This one has 52 people that bought. I will do machine learning, Python task for you. So even if you don't have any experience, guys, you can sign up over here. And yes, they have a free option. Let's come to the pricing page. Okay, so as you can see, of course, they have a premium option, but they'll allow you to get started for free. So these are tools that you can start making a modest amount of money from, and you don't even have to have any experience or know how to do this. Okay, so like I said, it's machine learning right here. So the number 3 tool is called Dolly, or OpenAI. A lot of people call it Dolly. Where anyway, it says we've trained a neural network called Dolly that creates images from text captions for a wide range of concepts expressible in natural language. So as you can see over here, this is one of the images. This is just an example. Looks kind of cool, it's not all that, but here's some more examples right here. But then we're going to come over to Fiverr. Check this out. Image creation. You can type in image creation, image editor, or unique images or something like that. And check this out. Look, there's 9 gigs. This one has 164 right here. And then if you scroll down right here, this person hasn't been able to do anything. So you wouldn't want to name it like that, but you would do it a little bit closer to that. You can also do logos. That would be crazy if you do logos. Watch this. Logo. Or you can do YouTube channel art or something like that with this image creation tool. Okay, so AI is starting to take over, guys. And as you can see, here's a platform. You can also make an account over there on Upwork and do this too.